Hello friends, this is Ravi Rai from TecnisiaCAD. Today we are going to work on hopper in sheet metal design. First we have to give parameters here. So I'm giving the parameter here in CATIA V5. The parameter thickness is 1 and radius value, the default bend radius value I'm giving here is around 2 mm. And K factor, you will see the K factor value will be around 0.40. Click OK. And then you have to work on hopper, and you can see this is hopper tool which comes in rolled walls. So this is hopper, and for hopper we have to use the command Surfacic hopper. So how can we use this command? We're going to see there. First we have to go for surfacing, wireframe and surface design, create one curvature here, like this. I'm going to make a symmetric section here. Go for symmetric, provide the value. Now make a second copy of the plane here, and the distance I'm going to give here is around 100. Go for second curvature here. Create one more arc. Now simply create multi-section surface command. 1 and 2. Click OK. You can see if you have created this surface here. Here I'm going to increase a distance of the plane. The distance I'm giving here is around 200, so it will be better. And now I'm going to use sheet metal design. Generative sheet metal we are opting here, and now we can see this is the command which is called hopper. The dialog box shows selection of the surface. I'm just selecting this surface as a hopper, and it will give the thickness to it, and click OK, and you will see the thickness has been assigned. If you are hiding a surface there, this solid geometry you can see. This is a solid geometry, and we can see this is a sheet metal part. If you will see the command here, which is fold and fold, you can see the object has been created like this. This is fold and fold. So this is a surface hopper. That's all for today. Thank you so much.